Hi guys, I want to make a quick video for this IXL in case you're confused on anything. The first thing I want to point out is this is what it says, which recursive formula defines this sequence for n is greater than 1. That just means that we're starting with the first number and going forward with our sequence. 1, 2, the first number, second number, third number, okay? So when you go ahead and figure out which recursive formula matches each sequence, you want to first decide, are you adding or subtracting to get from one number to the next? So is it an arithmetic sequence, or are you multiplying to get from one number to the next? So that would make it a geometric. Okay, if you remember from your notes yesterday, and I would suggest you have these out when you do this, just look at the blue boxes here, and you really only have to look at what's in orange and what's in green, okay? If I'm adding or subtracting, you'll see it written on the end. So if it's going up by +3, you'll see it written here, or -2. If you're multiplying, on this IXL, you're actually just gonna see it in the front. So if I'm multiplying by a fraction, you'll see it there. If you're multiplying by a whole number, you'll see it there. So for this one, for example, it's going from 0 to 11, 11 to 22, 22 to 33, 33 to 44. So in this case, we are just adding 11 each time, okay? So this would show multiplication. That's not it, because I'm adding. This one is nothing that we learned, so you can go ahead and skip that. This one's multiplying by 3, so that's not it. This one says +11, so that is my answer, and you're gonna submit. I'm gonna see if the next one is a multiplication. It's not. So you're just gonna keep clicking through. They're gonna show you some multiplication. They're gonna show you some, this one's adding as well. Seems like mostly addition right now. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna try one more to see if I can find an adding, and if I can't, then I'm gonna set you free. Or to see if I can find a multiplying. Here we go. Okay, so these numbers jump super fast, so that's an indication right away that I am multiplying. And remember, the trick to figure out what you're multiplying by is you take the second number divided by the number right in front of it. What's 40 divided by 5 is 8. Where you're gonna see that, remember from yesterday, geometric, multiplication's either in the back end or the front. So I'm multiplying by 8, it's right there. Okay, so that's gonna be your answer. And that's as easy as this gets, okay? These should not take you long. You're gonna do 10 questions. Make sure you try to get them right each time or learn from your mistakes.